Good morning, students. My name is Krishna Prasad from Vikas Global Institutions, Jangareddyguda, the one and only certified college for NEET, IIT and MCET coaching, and it is an academy. అంటే మారిపోయినటువంటి గవర్నమెంట్ రూల్స్ ప్రకారం ఈ ఇయర్ కొన్ని కాలేజెస్కి మాత్రమే ఎంసెట్, నీట్, ఐఐటి పర్మిషన్స్ అనేవి గ్రాంట్ చేయబడ్డాయి. అందులో జంగారెడ్డిగూడెంలో ఒకే ఒక కాలేజ్, వికాస్ గ్లోబల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ యాన్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ సొసైటీ. ఇది సొసైటీ కాలేజెస్ కావు, ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ సొసైటీ కాలేజెస్ కావు. దిస్ ఈజ్ యాన్ అకాడమీ. సో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి, న్యూ యాక్ట్ ప్రకారం, న్యూ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ జీవో ప్రకారం కొన్ని కాలేజెస్కి మాత్రం, అంటే మన దగ్గర ఐపీ, జనరల్గా ఐపీ, తర్వాత ఎంసెట్, తర్వాత నీట్, ఐఐటి ఇలా ఉండేవి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ వరకు. కానీ ఈ ఇయర్ న్యూగా ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేసినటువంటి కాలేజెస్ వచ్చేసి 1038 కాలేజెస్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేస్తే, న్యూ కాలేజెస్ కొన్నిటికి మాత్రమే ఐఐటి, నీట్, ఎంసెట్ చెప్పడానికి కొన్ని పర్మిషన్స్ ఇచ్చారు, కొన్ని కాలేజెస్కి పర్మిషన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. అందులో మనది అకాడమీగా గవర్నమెంట్ చేత గుర్తించబడిన కాలేజీ వికాస్ కాలేజ్ ఇన్ జంగారెడ్డిగూడెం. సో టుడే మనం లెసన్లోకి వెళ్దాం. Yesterday class we have discussed about some types of systems of classifications, whereas natural system of classification, artificial system of classification and phylogenetic system of classification. సో ఈ క్లాసిఫికేషన్స్ని మనం కొంతమంది సైంటిస్టులు కొన్ని రకాల క్యారెక్టర్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని, న్యాచురల్ సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ మార్ఫలాజికల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని, ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్స్ అండ్ సమ్ అదర్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని, అండ్ ఫైలోజెనటిక్ సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్స్ ఎవల్యూషనరీ క్యారెక్టర్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని. Evolution means the change. Evolution means the change. In zoology అయితే బిఫోర్ లాస్ట్ డార్వేరియన్ అనే సైంటిస్ట్ ఏం చేశాడంటే కొన్ని సిద్ధాంతాలని ప్రతిపాదించాడు. సో దాని ప్రకారం కొన్ని ఆర్గానిజమ్స్కి కొన్ని లక్షణాలు ఉండేవి. సపోజ్ స్నేక్స్కి చూస్తే వాటికి లెగ్స్ ఉండేవి. Snakes have legs, but they are evoluted. అవి ఎలా డెవలప్ అయ్యాయి, ఎలా ఎవల్యూట్ అయ్యాయి, ఎలా మార్పు చెందాయి, ఇప్పుడు స్నేక్స్కి కాళ్ళు అనేవి లేవు. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఎవల్యూషన్. అలాగే ఫ్లోరల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ జనరల్ వెజిటేటివ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎవల్యూటెడ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఎవల్యూషన్, phylogenetic system of classification was done by different scientists like John Hutchinson. Next we will discuss about to describe a flowering plant. So semi technical description of a flowering plant అంటే ఒక ఫ్లవరింగ్ ప్లాంట్ లో ఏ పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి ఏంటి మనం చూద్దాం. సో ద semi technical description of flowering plants. Semi technical description of flowering plants. So what is meant by semi technical description? Means to introduce all parts of the plant. Suppose in plants there is a floral formula is present. Floral formula. So to describe a family, there is a floral formula is present. Means a floral characters, how the floral characters are arranged by floral formula. Some families have containing some floral formula. Various floral formulas are present. Fabaceae contain one floral formula, Solanaceae contain one floral formula, and Liliaceae contain one floral formula. These are the families which are based on the floral formulas. So the symbols are present to describe the part of the flower. There is some symbols are present to describe the parts of the flower. So what are they? If it is a flower, it is a flower. So this is the flower. A flower has contained bract. A flower has contained bract at the base of the pedicel. At the base of the pedicel. If flower contain bract is called as bracted. If the bract is absent, it is called as abracted. So it is identified by BR. BR means bracted. Next one. EBR. The bract is absent. Abractage. Abracted. So if the bract is present, BR. If the bract is absent, EBR. And BRL, EBRL. So the flower has contained two small appendages. They protect the flower in bud stage. These are called as bracteoles. If bracteoles are present, BRL resembles with BRL. If bracteoles are absent, EBRL. Bracteolate and abracteolate. And what is the outer layer? It is the calyx. Calyx is the outer layer. So calyx is identified with K. K means calyx. And next role, corolla. Corolla is identified with C. Calyx is identified with K, and corolla, the symbol of the corolla is C. Here calyx is, suppose calyx is 5 in some families. If we write K 5, calyx is 5, sepals are 5. We write this without bracket is called as polycephalous. Sepals are not fused. Sepals are free. Sepals are not fused. So next one, gamocephalous. So suppose the sepals are fused, it is called as gamocephalous. Corolla is also C. Polypetalous condition, whereas C, it is gamopetalous. Suppose we write a floral formula. One floral formula for example. Bractate, bracteolate, bisexual. Next, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, corolla 5, androecium 5, Gynoecium, superior ovary. Suppose it is a floral formula. It is a floral formula. So it is the complete description of a family by a formula is called as floral formula. And we write if it is contain bract and bracteoles are present, and it is actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means, what is actinomorphic? The flower can be cut into two equal halves in any radial planes is called as actinomorphic. And bisexual, both androecium and gynoecium are present. Both gynoecium and androecium are present. So calyx 5, corolla 5, androecium 5, gynoecium 2. Suppose it is an example. It is an example. Next, actinomorphic. It is the actinomorphic. A flower can be cut into two equal halves. Actinomorphic. Whereas zygomorphic, a flower can be cut into two equal halves in only one vertical plane. It is zygomorphic. Actinomorphic and zygomorphic. Next one. Students, this is a very easy and important topic in taxonomy. Next one, bisexual. So this is the symbol of bisexual, contain both androecium and gynoecium. Bisexual. Whereas unisexual are male. Unisexual are male. So this is the symbol of male, and this is the symbol of female. Female. This is the symbol of female. And next one, A for androecium. A for androecium. 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 G for gynoecium. G for gynoecium. Gynoecium. Androecium and gynoecium. If the anthers are attached to the petals of the flower is called as epipetalous condition. Means the anthers are attached to the petals. Petals means corolla. It is epipetalous condition. If corolla, it is called epipetalous condition. Epipetalous condition. If the P for calyx and corolla are the fused in some families like Liliaceae, there are no calyx and corolla are separate. They are get together fused, and it is called as perianth. P for perianth. Perianth. If the perianth the stamens are attached to the perianth members, it is called as the epiphyllous condition. Anthers are attached to the perianth, it is called as epiphyllous condition. Epiphyllous condition. It is the epiphyllous condition. This is a symbol of union or fused. Fused. Union or fused. Whereas G for gynoecium, if the gynoecium contain superior ovary, it is the symbol of superior ovary. Superior ovary. If the gynoecium contain inferior ovary, whereas gynoecium contain This symbol is half inferior or half superior. Half inferior or half superior. So this is about the floral formula. This is about the floral formula. Students, if we describe a flowering plant with floral formula, so this is the floral formula. For example, Fabaceae floral formula. Floral formula. Fabaceae floral formula. Fabaceae contain bract is present, bract, and bracteoles are also present. Bract is present, bracteoles also present. So based on the floral formula, we give a diagram is called as a floral diagram. Some characters are shown in floral diagram which are not shown in floral formula. Suppose the floral diagram contain a dot structure at posterior side, so it cannot able to describe in the floral formula. So this is the bract is present, bract is present. So this is the sepals. These are the sepals, students. It is a floral formula, Fabaceae floral formula. So this is the bract. Fabaceae family has contained bract is called bract. Whereas bracteoles are present. So these are the bracteoles. Are present. Next one. It is bracted. Bract is present. Bracteoles are present. Bracteoles are present. And in Fabaceae family, the flower cannot be cut into two equal parts. Hence, it is zygomorphic. So, what is the symbol of zygomorphic? So, this is the zygomorphic. And both anthers, androecium and gynoecium is present. Both androecium and gynoecium is present. Hence, it is called as bisexual. So, bracteolate, zygomorphic, and bisexual. So, first one, calyx. So, these are the outer hole is called as calyx. Calyx is K means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 sepals are present, hence they are fused. 5 sepals are fused, means gamosepalous. It is a gamosepalous. K5 and corolla. So this is the corolla. Already you know about how the petals of the pea plants are arranged. It is a vexillary estivation. We already studied in a vexillary or descending imbricate estivation. There are 5 petals are present, a large standard petal. So corolla is the symbol of corolla. C. One is the large standard petal. And there are 2 wing petals are present. Yes, 2 wing petals are present. So this is the 2 wing petals. So this is the 2 wing petals. It's 2. Whereas 2 keel petals are present. So these are the keel petals. The keel petals are fused. Hence So it. Calyx, corolla. Bractate, bracteolate, zygomorphic, bisexual, and calyx 5 are unite. Corolla 1 plus 2 plus 2. 2 are fused. And next one, androecium. Androecium. How many anthers are present? Generally, we have studied about in androecium there are 10 stamens are present. Diadelphous condition. Diadelphous condition means, what is meant by diadelphous condition? Means the stamens which are arranged in 2 bundles. Stamens are arranged in 2 bundles. So there are 9 are arranged in 1 bundle. And 1 is arranged in separate. So hence it is, so these are the stamens which is present in 9. 9 stamens are united, means nine bracket are fused, whereas 1 stamen is a single. 9 plus 1. Androecium 9 plus 1. Whereas gynoecium, so this is the gynoecium. Gynoecium is unilocular ovary. So gynoecium half inferior 1. Gynoecium 1 half inferior. So based on the floral formula, there is floral diagram is present. Based on the floral diagram, there is floral formula is present. In some families like Brassicaceae, there are bracteates present, bracteoles are absent. They are also actinomorphic and bisexual, So this is the Brassicaceae. The family Brassicaceae, mustard, example, bractate, abracteolate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K4, C4, calyx 4, corolla 4. Androecium is 6, means 2 plus 4, whereas gynoecium 2, so superior ovary. So this is the Brassicaceae family. So this is the floral formula of Fabaceae. Students, and next one, floral formula is completed. And floral diagram, what are the characters are present in the floral diagram? So what are the characters are absent in floral formula which are present in the floral diagram? So there is a dot is absent. It is called as axis, floral axis. So the axis of flower present at posterior side of floral diagram. It is a floral diagram. And floral formula. So there is floral formula. In floral formula there is absent axis of flower. So this is absent in floral formula, present in floral diagram. And eastivation, how the arrangement of calyx and corolla, eastivation is present in floral diagram, where is absent. Eastivation is absent. Placentation is present. In floral formula, placentation is absent. And union of stamens are present. and here also union of stamens symbol is present. So this is about floral formula and floral diagram. So students, please follow the symbols regarding their parts, and tomorrow we will discuss about some few families like Fabaceae, Solanaceae and Liliaceae. The description of the total and some important plants present in the families.